they want. It's up to you. Surely can be done. Young and old are doing it, I'm told.
Well, what kind of things happen during the summertime around our district? This is the CARE program at Ardenwald, and they're on wheels today. Look at these guys, they're skating all over the blacktop. Don't get to do this during the school year, but you do if you're part of the summer CARE program. Big thanks to the Rose City Rollers who donated all the skates and safety equipment. Let's give it a try. Whoa, watch out! I didn't do that.
All that pressure got you down. Has your head spinning all around. Feel the rhythm, chant the rhyme. Come on along and have a real good time.
I'm Jackie Daytona, I go by Jack, and I skate with the Rose City Wreckers.
And the Rose City Wreckers, is that like a roller derby team?
Yep.
Oh, so you're part of a roller derby
Yep,
team.
I play roller derby. The Wreckers is our recreational adult team.
Okay. And explain what's going on here today at Ardenwald.
Yeah, we brought our truck full of roller skates. The skate mobile has about 150 pairs of skates in it. Sizes kids 8 all the way up to men's 15. And we brought them out today so that all the kids here can learn to roller skate.
And are you seeing kids that have never done it before, giving it a try?
Sure am.
And really, what's the goal of this? To get kids to find a new hobby or maybe learn to love roller skating?
Yeah, it's just a chance for them to try something new, especially some kids might not have ever had the opportunity before. So it's a way to get them exposed and see if they like it.
When did you first start roller skating?
I've been skating for about 3 years now.
Oh, only just 3 years?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're out here doing spins around and you caught on quickly.
I train a lot. Come check out Rose City Rollers. We have bouts at the hangar at Oaks Park, and it's really fun to just come watch and see some really talented athletes out on their roller skates.
Well, thank you so much.
I said free. Now free.
Have you ever roller skated before? Are you having fun? He's out of here. Is this helping you? Oh, cool. Are you having fun? You know what you're doing out here. Okay.
Have a real old time. Like the days of stomping up the boy.
So you can see the program continues to roll along. It'll go through all 3 sites of our summer care program. Kids are taking off the skates now. A new group's going to be coming out. And what can we say? We had a really good time today.